All right, we have another gooseneck trailer that is set up to help you get work done. This is a Rawmaxx FDX 40-foot gooseneck. This has two 12,000-pound dual tandem axles. This has electric over hydraulic brakes and max ramps and a lot more. Let's go check it out. All right, we're taking a closer look at this Rawmaxx FDX 40-foot gooseneck. So starting here at the front of the trailer, we have our lockable toolbox. We have dual 12,000-pound landing gear, stake pockets and rub rail, as well as some D-rings down both sides, steps. We have an underbody box. All right, that's great for storing our straps and tarps. Go. All right, working our way down. This is our electric over hydraulic system here. Right, that's converting that electric signal into hydraulic lines so we can get those disc brakes on this unit. It's going to give us much more braking power with those disc brakes. It's a nice upgraded feature on this unit. This has the Dexter HDDS suspension, two 12,000-pound dual tandem axles. It's an adjustable suspension. We have our max ramps. So when we lay those over, we get our full 40 foot of deck space that we can utilize. Spring assisted both ways, so these are massive ramps, but they are actually pretty easy to open and then return back to the tow-in position. We have our 40-foot ratchet slider track. We have a dunnage rack. We have our chains and binder rack on the front. This is a Rawmaxx FDX 40-foot gooseneck. This unit is available at NC Trailers. We have over 400 new and used units in stock to choose from. Let's take a look at this bin sticker real quick. All right, so you can see that we have a GVWR of 12,000 pounds. So it's got two 12,000-pound axles. And then we have our GVWR of 24,000 pounds. Just like to point that out because these 22, 23, 24,000-pound trailers can have 10,000-pound axles or 12,000-pound axles sometimes, depending on the brand and configuration. But this actually has the upgraded 12,000-pound axles under it. Just wanted to make sure you guys were aware of that. Again, NC Trailers, we are the #1 rated dealer in the Carolinas with over 1,400 reviews, 400 trailers new and used in stock between our Winston and Thomasville, North Carolina locations. We have a full parts, service, and financing department. If we can help you out in any way, please call, come by, check us out on the web at nctrailers.com. We'd love to hook you up.